Giant cargo, large cargo. Woo! Halibut. 48 halibut. 48 halibut. When you use it for bait, when you get your bait, what size is now? Yeah. I call you, sir. Oh, that's a big shark. One more gap. One more on the head.
Back up. Watch out now. I've got him. He ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, big shark. Morning everyone here at Shelter Island. Mackerels are biting like maybe an hour ago, and a lot of them are biting right there. My friend caught a sargo. Yeah,
Dito?
sargo early in the morning. Yeah. Right there.
Buti pumayag si Ate Ami. Pumayag si Ate Ami. Doon din naman sila manggagaling. Manggagaling din yung ticket ko.
Let's see what we got here. We already have some, maybe 6 mackerels. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Another one right there. Gamitin mo yung tong. Oh, may tong dito. Ito. Oh, ning. Get 2 fish. Fish on.
Sasabit ako dyan. bakit?
That look like a sargo.
Wala bakit, Lala? Lala,
Right here.
wala bakit? Go.
See what, is it sargo? That's the same. The same. Sargo, sargo, Annie. Easy, easy, easy. Easy.
Heavy.
Yeah. All right. Another sargo.
Oh,
All right,
break line
that's
too.
a nice sargo.
Break the line too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah.
Happy Easter. Oh yeah, go ahead, Lala.
Two
Take care of it,
sargo
Lala. Break the line. Oh my gosh.
It broke the line?
Yeah.
Oh, lucky.
Go
Just in time.
I grabbed just
Yeah.
That's a...
The second one. And here's the
go shrimp.
other one. Two sargo now.
Oh, honey's gonna make sure they shower.
Right, Lala? More sargo, Lala. More sargo. Mini two. One.
Ngayon yung ano hindi nagbayad sa kanya na yun, na ano, inaano siya, sinasabi niya, susumbong kita kasi yung mga nagle-lecture walang lisensya na karamihan ko sa Stockton, yun eh. Yung parang nagluluto lang sila na ano, wala silang lisensya na magluto or facility, dapat pala may sarili kang facility pag gano'n. Eh, sabi niya, susumbong kita, pumunta ka, sabi ko. Hindi na nagbayad.
Ako naman, gagawin ko, sasabihin ko, ay nagluto kami lang eh. Sabi niya, magluto raw ako. Dahil may budget siya. Hindi ko nang binigay tap. Luto niya lang ako.
Yeah.
Gaganon din ako.
Pinaluto lang sa akin, yeah, pwede naman. Ano. Ang ano kasi doon, kung makita nilang maraming ang lutuan natin.
Filipino? Filipino yung
Filipino, nagsisitsaron nga siya eh. Sabi niya,
Napakawalang yan, oh.
pero nakailang beses na siya gano'n. Ang ginagawa niya, I think kinukuha niya ng 400 kay Francis noon. Tapos nabebenta niya ng 600. Galing naman ng ano, na parang
Pero napakamahal naman.
resale niya. Tapos nung tagal-tagal na nga, nangutang siya kay Francis, sabi niya eh, wala akong may papautang, sabi niya. Pero ate, nag-Las Vegas ata siya. Sabi ko, baka natalo sa Las Vegas, kaya hindi kanya na, ayaw kanya ng bayaran, sabi ko eh.
Yeah.
Oh, malaki-laki yan.
Malaki. Okay, kuha nga ng tong. Tong. Another fish on. Lagay mo na yun. Marami. Ilan na yun nasa cooler. Ilagay mo. Bakit mo? What the hell?
Only on that side. That side.
Are you sure it's Sargo?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
I know the bite. You go back.
I had some freshwater one.
That's giant sargo, large sargo. Woo!
Come here. That's a big one. Hell yeah.
All right, first sargo of the year. It's a large one. That's how you catch sargo.
Yeah.
You!
Use sargo. Woo! That's a large one. Woohoo! Oh, tatlo yan, tatlo. Oh, dyan na.
Isa size now.
Dali! Dali!
Fish.
Nyari ka pa.
Natin ng isa pa.
Kaya ba yun? Kaya. Kasi kailangan. Baka stop it.
Halibut.
Ezra, I got a sargo
28
for you.
halibut.
Sargo for you.
28 inches halibut.
What are you using for bait, Ezra? Ezra's rod. What are you using for bait?
Hey, why didn't you get my pole, Josie?
Where'd you get your bait?
That's my fish now because I had the net.
Yeah, it is now. You gonna fry. Good size, another sargo. Oh shit.
Hi, Kamau. Nawala. Sayang, malapad.
It's a little tight.
Nawala.
Oh, ito lumipat dito oh. Dito naman oh.
Nasa ibabaw pa lang yung
Meron din dito.
She's just waiting for the fish. She's just waiting.
Sayang.
I know.
Maluwag lang.
I got sargo too. I got one too.
You wait for the fish.
Pancake.
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 I got a pancake. No sargo. But that one was sargo.
Pancake.
Kala ko sargo na rin.
Nakakulong sa bahay, nakasilip na doon sa pinag. Matanda naman ako. Yun na nga yun. Nainom ka ba ng ano? Yeah. Kain pa ng Marcel. Pablo, di pinainom ka? Kasi yan ang ano niyan eh. Side effect. Pablo, di ka. High blood. Talagang mo. Tingnan mo yung mga ano ha. Yung mga side effect. Kasi hangham mo. Yan ang ano. Nung ano, 3-4 days pagka nag-stress na lumalakad yung ano ko. Yeah. Yeah. Nangyari yan sa akin. Diabetic ka ba? Okay, masanganda mo rin. Hindi ba kanina dati? Isa yung parang nagkanang arang pinutuso. Kaya rin naman tayo nakakadal na muscle pain. Yun ang kailangan ko eh. Hindi ako tinigil.
Wait.
Naman ako eh.
Hindi matanggal ang bait.
Ate Ami. Ate Ami. Ate Ami. Ilagay mo na sa siklak yung isda. Bago ilagay mo sa cooler. Kaya nga. Nahalungkat pa yung cooler ni Ate Ami.
Three books, only one fish. Three bait.
At saka yung tapay ng tao.
Another fish on, another fish on.
Oh. Ay na ba ako magpinta?
Teka. Lagyan mo dyan. Ay, smell.
Big checks. Big smell. It's a big one. Big one.
Sa fiesta lang, pupunta siya sa, ano, sa fiestahan, doon sa church. Doon sabi ko, sa Martes na aalis eh. Pero, pupunta siya doon sa fiesta, yung may kalakot. Doon mismo sa simbahan. Yan. Yeah, doon sa fiesta. Norma Valentina. Yan. Yan. Kilala mo si Reggie, di ba? Yan ang kapatid. Reggie, I work for $3. Sabi si Reggie.
The bait. The bait.
Nako, huwag mong kakausapin yung ngayon. Ayaw ni Norma yun. Kasi tsaka malalaman namin. Hindi ko yan alam mo kung hindi ko ina-accept lagi yan. Kasi pag makulit, sabi ni si Reggie. Naku. Go. Kaya nga, yung 200. Yan. At kang nga sabihin mo, kung saan kayo magtatagpo, sa plaza o sa harapan ng simbahan. Basta kunin mo siya sa Facebook, Norma Valentino. Yeah. Ngayon, yung 100, bibigyan mo lang si Tetay ng 1,000. Sa'yo lahat yung sukle. Okay? Pasensya ka na. Salamat, tiyan mo ko. Sino pa ba tutulong? Sino pa ba tutulong sa'yo? Ako naman eh, wala yung akal mo eh, wala rin ako makibibigay. Kaya ako hindi na pinasya, wala kasi ako. Wala kami, no? ngayon naman, eh, ang uncle mo, eh, nangutang sa bangko, kaya nagpapera. Okay lang, basta kumakain, alam mo na yan. Laban lang tayo. Saka yung mga negativity, ayaw sa'yo, di ba? Ganyan na sila.
Come on, Pikachu. Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice size
Good shrimp,
carp.
Good shrimp. Good shrimp. I just, yeah.
Alright, early in the morning.
Get him lucky. That's good fish.
Big hello.
I was ready to leave too, man. I'm like,
I tell you,
I know.
We'll measure it though. We always do.
Brother got to work. I think he's around 30.
Yeah, 24 inches.
I think he's bigger. I say.
You say,
I say. Okay, go home. Go home.
Oh, brother.
like a big shark right there. Oh, that's a big shark.
There's a shark!
Alright, one more gap, one more gap. One more on the head. Alright, dude. Got it.
Hey, get out of the gap.
We need another gap!
David. Hey, we need more. Get out of the gap.
He's got it! He's coming!
No, don't pick it up.
I'm in him too. I'm in him too, but just barely.
Drop it, nice, drop it.
Hey, you made it today for a reason. Come on, out, bro. Get out.
Alright, you got it. Oh, almost.
Almost. You got it. There it is.
No. Right there, pick it up now. No. Drop the tail.
Back up.
Yeah, that's a big shark. Nice job, Mr.
Okay, cut it right here.
Yeah, got it.